Hey guys, it's me, Diddy Monster, with MZ the Lamb, and I am downstairs on the sofa in the conservatory, and Diesel just got a package. No, it sounds weird.
I wonder where he is. Diesel!
He was in here. Here it is. Here he is. And here's his package. It's from his favorite food makers, Bakers! Isn't it, Diesel? This is for you. So we're going to see what he got. So, already opened that bit. And he got 2 Dental Delicious. Oh, yeah, you like them, don't you? Yeah, you got 2 Dental Delicious. The chicken flavored ones. Then you can't have them now, Diesel. And then he got... yeah, he's very into it. And then he got... hold on. A small bag of complete meaty meals. Yay! Which I think he'll have for breakfast. And he's so happy with himself because he got 2 things today. And what else is in here? Okay, I think that's it. Yep. He got some coupons and now he's lying on MZ. Get off of MZ. Give me MZ. There we go. He's going to try opening that. He got some money off coupons. That's cool. There we go. So we'll use them to get him some nice treats. So Diesel, what do you think of all this? Oh, is it meaty-licious? Oh yeah, you love them. Yes. Thank you so much, Bakers. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.